Good morning everyone. How are you all? So Sanila ma'am is back. So now today's video we are going to discuss about grammar portion of the lesson, that is on page number 32. Okay, on page number 32 we are having special names and also some baby animals. Okay, so first we will do the baby animal exercise. Okay, so look into your book everyone. So on page number 32 the first question is given here to match baby animals with their mother animals. Okay, so simple, it is very simple. It is, you all know what are baby animals, what are their names and who are their mother, right? So simply just you have to match the columns. Okay, so I will show you how to match them. I will write just 1 and A, 2 and B, like that, because I can't draw all the animals here. So I will simply write the options and then I will show you how to match. Later I will send the pictures of this question. Okay, is that clear everyone? Yes. So just start doing it along with me. So open page number 32 and take out your pencil and start writing with me. So on page number 32 we are going to do, that's why I am going to write page number 32 here. And the first question is question number B. Match the animals to their babies. Clear? This is the question. Now I will write down the options of number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly, option A, B, C, D and E. Clear? Yes. Now we will match them. Okay. So आपको क्या suppose करना है कि here are the mother animals and here are the baby animals. I will write the names also. So the first one is cow. Second is duck. Third is hen. Fourth is goat. Fifth is sheep. Okay, इसी तरह से आपको इस साइड बेबी एनिमल्स लिखे हुए हैं. So what are they? Duckling. Next is chick. Next is calf. CALF calf. LAMB lamb and KID kid. Okay. So अब आपको क्या करना है? अब आपको इनको मैच करना है. So what are the names of baby animals of these mother animals that we have to match? Okay, so first one is cow. Cow's baby is calf. Cow's baby is calf. So draw a line like this. इस तरह से draw करो और match करो. Done everyone? Can you see this properly? Yes. Now the second is duck. Who's the baby animal of duck? Duckling. Match it with option A. Duckling. Okay? Yes. Next is hen. Baby animal of hen is chick. Match it with chick. Clear? Yes. Fourth one is goat. Baby animal of goat is kid. Goat is kid. Match it with kid. Clear? Now last is sheep. Sheep's baby animal is lamb. Match it with lamb. Clear everyone? Yes. So this was your match the following given in your book on page number 32. The first question, that is question number B. Match the animals to their baby animals. This was your question. Right? Now we are moving towards the grammar time. Now one grammar time question is given in your book on the bottom. That is we have to underline the naming words in the sentence. So we have to find out what are the naming words in the sentence. But do you know what is naming word? No. What are naming words? So okay, you don't know. So for that, what ma'am is going to do is going to show a small video. Okay, I will show you 3 videos. Okay, first is an introduction video एंड इट विल बी हैविंग अ स्मॉल स्टोरी इन इट. ठीक है, उसमें एक छोटी सी स्टोरी होगी जो पूरी इंग्लिश में होगी, लेकिन आप डरना मत. इट्स अ शॉर्ट स्टोरी, उसको समझने की कोशिश करना. ठीक है, एंड देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू. After that, again I will play one more video, and that will be of introduction. Okay, introduction to naming words with some examples. And after that, the last video will be showing that a quick recap or a summary of the topic. Okay, in this way you will be understanding the topic naming words. It will be easier for you if you will relate it with a story and watch it animated way. Okay, yes, so let's get started. I will show you a quick story, and then I will come back. Okay, get started.
Fanny takes a ride. Fanny is a frog. She wants to meet her friend Matty. But she is too tired to hop. A car goes by. It is too fast. A scooter goes by. It is also too fast. Then a bike goes by. A boy rides the bike. Fanny is able to hop on. The boy reaches a house. That is Matty's house too. Fanny meets Matty. The friends play with a ball. They have a good time. Did you like the story? What do you like to play with your friend? Now, look at these words from the story. Boy, bike, frog, house. These are all naming words. Naming words are the names of persons, places, animals, or things. Boy is the naming word for a person. Friend is also the naming word for a person. Bike is the name of a thing. Car, scooter, and ball are also names of things. House is the name of a place. Frog is the name of an animal, so is mouse. So now you know what naming words are. Try forming some sentences on your own now with naming words.
Okay, so now we have watched the video. In that video, what we have seen? We have seen about two friends. That was a story about two friends, right? And who all were there? Fanny, the frog, and Matty, the rat. Okay, so what Fanny was upset about? Fanny was a frog and he wanted to meet his friend Matty. That was a rat, right? फैनी एक फ्रॉग था, मेंढक. उसे अपने दोस्त से मिलना था जिसका नाम मैटी था. And he wanted to meet him to play with him. And हम क्यों अपने दोस्तों से मिलते हैं? हम उनके साथ एंजॉय करते हैं, टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं. सिमिलरली फ्रॉग को भी इच्छा थी कि वो रैट से मिले, उसके फ्रेंड से, और टाइम स्पेंड करे और उसके साथ खेले. बट ही वॉज वेरी सैड क्योंकि वो बहुत दूर रहता था. दैट टाइम ही थॉट ही विल टेक अ लिफ्ट, है ना. उसने सोचा पासिंग बाय जो भी व्हीकल होगा या कोई भी जब जाएगा उनसे लिफ्ट ले लेगा, राइट. सो ही थॉट ऑफ taking a lift and he was waiting for a car to come. The car was very fast. वो कार क्या था? बहुत फास्ट था. वो zoom करके चला गया, right? So वो नहीं बैठ पाया. Again one scooter came. The scooter also went so fast and again he was unable to climb on or to sit on, right? Then a boy came with a bike and वो उसके साथ बैठ गया. The cycle was very slow, so he slowly went with him. Easy था उसके लिए उस पर बैठना. Then the boy reached his house and there that house was Matty's too. वो मैटी का भी घर था, right? तो वो easily अपने दोस्त से मिल लिया. And what happened next? Both the friends were playing ball. Okay, so this was the story. अब आपने अगर नोटिस किया होगा तो इस लेसन में बहुत सारे नेमिंग वर्ड्स हैं. नेमिंग वर्ड्स कैसे? अभी बताती हूँ. नेमिंग वर्ड्स आर names of places, person, animal और a thing. ठीक है, हम जब भी किसी जगह, इंसान या जानवर या चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, it means these are the words related to the topic naming words. आपके हर सेंटेंस में नेमिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं. आप या तो किसी चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हो, या किसी इंसान के बारे में, या किसी जगह के बारे में, या फिर किसी जानवर के बारे में. तो बेसिकली आपके हर सेंटेंस में नेमिंग वर्ड्स होते हैं. एंड नॉट नेसेसरी देयर विल बी ओनली वन नेमिंग वर्ड. इट कैन बी मोर देन वन, मोर देन टू और मोर देन थ्री. एनी नंबर कैन बी देयर. सो it is simple from this example that the naming words are the names of places, person, animal and thing. Okay, अब ये समझने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Okay, ma'am will show you a small example that is related to the introduction of naming words. So let us watch it.
Let's look at a few more examples of naming words. Look at this picture. Can you tell what this place is? This is a park. What do you see here? Can you name what you see? Park names a place. Girl names a person. Dog names an animal. Tree, slide and swing name different things. So, all these words are naming words. Now, let's look at these naming words in sentences. I am at a park. The park has a mango tree. The park has a slide. The park has a swing. A girl plays with her dog.
ओके, सो इस वीडियो से आपको क्या समझ में आया? इस वीडियो में हमने बहुत सारे नेमिंग वर्ड सुने और उसको रिलेट करके उसके सेंटेंसेस भी बनाए, राइट? अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि मैंने नेम ऑफ प्लेसेस, पर्सन, एनिमल और थिंग क्या बताया आपको. कि प्लेस हम हाउस को मानते हैं, पार्क को मानते हैं, स्टेशन को मानते हैं, बैंक को मानते हैं. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि आपको अगर प्लेस बोला है तो आप भोपाल, इंदौर या दिल्ली लिखो. दैट्स नॉट नेसेसरी. द प्लेस कुड बी एनीथिंग लाइक हाउस, पार्क, हॉस्पिटल, दे ऑल आर प्लेसेस, है ना. हम एक जगह पे जा रहे होते हैं ना, सो वो एक प्लेस है, राइट? यस. ऑल्सो द थिंग कुड बी एनीथिंग that we can touch from our hands, right? Like slide, vehicles, glass, water bottle, tree, they all are things, right? Yes. And after that, what we have seen in the video, we have seen about a girl, right? So the girl or the dog is an animal. The girl or that first story, in that story, one boy was riding a bike. That boy, me, you, all are name of persons. We are related to person, right? Yes. So हमने कौन कौन से words देखे थे अभी स्टोरी में, वो मैं आपको लिख कर बताती हूँ, ठीक है? So the words were park, slide, tree, dog, girl, then swing and so on. हमने बहुत सारे ऐसे words देखे थे, right? So park is a Place. Park is a place. Park क्या है? जगह है. Right? So this is a naming word. What kind of naming word? Place. है ना? Yes. Dog is an animal. So this is also a naming word. है ना? Girl is a person. So this is also a naming word. Similarly, swing is a thing. So this is also a naming word. Tree is also a thing. This is also a naming word. Also, slide is a thing and we can call it naming word. Now, we will use this in sentences. जैसे कि आपने अभी वीडियो में देखा पार्क, स्लाइड इस सब को यूज करके सेंटेंस बताया था. तो हम उन सेंटेंस को एक बार डिस्कस कर लेते हैं क्विकली, राइट? सो what were the sentences? Like for example, हम गर्ल और डॉग को लेते हैं. तो एक सेंटेंस में हमारे दो नेमिंग वर्ड्स आ जाएंगे. अ गर्ल इज प्लेइंग विथ द डॉग. ओके, द गर्ल इज प्लेइंग विथ द डॉग. ये आपने एक सेंटेंस बना दिया. अब इसमें नेमिंग वर्ड क्या है? गर्ल इज अ पर्सन, प्लेइंग तो एक्शन है, then dog is an animal. So these two are the naming words in this sentence. Similarly, we can make more. I am at a park. है ना? मैं बोल रही हूँ कि I am at a park. मतलब मैं एक पार्क में हूँ और पार्क क्या है? जगह है. So that is also a naming word. Similarly, the park has a mango tree. पार्क में एक मैंगो ट्री है. So mango tree क्या है? थिंग हो गया. और पार्क क्या हो गया? प्लेस हो गया. सो देयर आर टू नेमिंग वर्ड्स इन दिस सेंटेंस. ओके, इस तरह से आपको खुद के भी बहुत सारे वर्ड्स बनाने हैं. तो जैसे अभी मैंने वर्ड्स लिखे थे, उन वर्ड्स का आप और भी यूज कर सकते हो. आई एम गोइंग टू पार्क. मैं पार्क जा रहा हूं. अभी इससे पहले क्या कहा था मैम ने? आई एम एट अ पार्क. मैं एक पार्क में हूं. तो आप अपना डिफरेंट सेंटेंस बना रहे हो तो आप ये बना सकते हो, आई एम गोइंग टू अ पार्क. राइट? इस तरह से आप लोग भी अपना प्रैक्टिस करके सेंटेंसेस बना सकते हो. नाउ लेट अस टेक अ क्विक रिकैप और अ समरी ऑफ द टॉपिक. ओके, लेट्स वॉच इट.
Let's quickly revise what naming words are. Naming words are the names of persons, animals, places, and things.
So now we have completed the topic. I have explained you very well. Now I hope you all are very well understood about the topic. अब हम क्या करेंगे? We will do the exercise, book work, right? So open your book everyone and take out page number 32. सबसे bottom में आपको grammar time दिया हुआ है जिसमें question number A है. Underline the naming word. So let us underline the words. Ma'am has written the sentences given in your book and I am going to underline these sentences. Okay, so yes, first I will read one by one the sentences and then we will underline it. Okay, so the first sentence is, this is a big tree. What is it? This is a big tree. So इसमें आपको क्या लग रहा है naming word? What can be the naming word? Tree, right? So underline the word tree. Sorry, tree. Underline the word tree. Next is, the boy is singing. Singing तो action हो गया. Then what is remaining? Boy, because boy is a person. So underline the word boy. Next is, this is my box. This is my box. This is my, cannot be the word. So the box is a thing and underline the word box. Clear? Next is, the elephant is sleeping. The elephant is sleeping. So elephant is an animal. Underline the word elephant. Okay. Next is, please drink water every day. Please drink water every day. So please drink. No, but water is a thing. So we can underline the word water. Underline the word water. Okay. So this was the questions given in your book I have underlined it quickly. I know my speed was little fast, but what you can do, there is one option for you. You can pause the video and do it along with me. Okay? Yes. So I have explained you this topic very well. Now what you have to do is watch this video carefully till the end. Do not skip any points. You have to understand it very well. Okay? Yes. So this is it for today. Complete this work in your book. Okay? Good day everyone.